SPIRE Tutorial Videos Part 3, Employee Center and Other Basic Pages for Employees. As an employee, the Employee Center is your SPIRE homepage. The Employee Center lets you view and update your personal information. On the left side of the page, you will find the Personal Information box. This box contains your home address, work address, home phone, work phone, alerts phone, preferred email, and non-UMass email. Both your alerts phone number and your non-UMass email address can be used for password recovery, so it is important to keep these up to date. You can edit the information in the Personal Information box by clicking the heading links for each info point. You can also update your personal information by clicking My Personal Information in the SPIRE main menu. For example, clicking the Preferred Email heading link will display a page where you can edit your email addresses on file and choose a preferred email address. The Personal Information box also includes a checkbox to hide personal info. This checkbox visually hides your personal information from view. This option is useful if you work in an area where others may see your screen. On the right side of the Employee Center page, you will find the IT account password box. This box contains information about when your password has been changed, as well as a link to change your password. In the middle of the right side of the Employee Center page are quick links to the SPIRE UMass directory pages. This section includes links to the directory search page, which has many ways to search for people, including listing everyone in a department, as well as the My Directory Info page, which allows you to view and update your info. These pages are also available from the SPIRE main menu under UMass Directory. At the bottom right side of the Employee Center page is the To-Do List section. This section may include action items from the university, such as reminders to sign up for emergency notifications. On the topic of emergency notifications, the UMass Alerts system enables you to receive text messages about ongoing emergency situations and campus closings. It is easy to sign up for text notifications from the Alerts sign-up page, accessible from the SPIRE main menu by clicking UMass Amherst Alerts and then Sign Up for Alerts.